Wait. Why is the flight ticket showing an error?
What? Let me see. Oh, I think the price changed.
Seriously. It was 4,500 a few minutes ago.
Now it's 6,200.
That's a big difference.
I know. Maybe we should check another flight.
Good idea. Let's not book the first one we see.
Wait. I found another option.
How much is it?
4,800, but it leaves early in the morning.
How early?
6 o'clock.
6 in the morning. That means we'll have to wake up at 4.
Come on, Alex, it's Goa.
Okay, you've convinced me.
Great. I'll book the tickets.
Wait. Did you check the return flight?
The return flight.
Mia,
Oops, I forgot.
you forgot the return flight.
I was so excited about the hotel that I didn't check it.
Okay. Let's look now.
The return flights are expensive too.
How expensive?
The cheapest one is 7,000.
7,000. That's more than our flight to Goa.
Wait. There's another option.
Please tell me it's cheaper.
Here it is. But there's one problem.
What now?
It has a 6-hour layover.
That's a long wait.
But we could explore the airport, have coffee, and relax.
You can turn anything into a coffee break.
That's because coffee makes everything better.
Okay. How much is that flight?
4,900.
That's much better.
So, should we book it?
Let me think.
Alex, we need to book soon. The price could change again.
Okay. Book the flights.
Oh, really?
Yes. Let's do it.
Great. I'm booking them now. Oh no.
What happened?
The website says the last 2 seats are gone.
You're joking.
I wish I was.
Then what seats are left?
Only 2 separate seats.
That's okay. We're not children.
But one seat is near the front, and the other is at the very back.
That's still fine.
There's one more thing.
What?
The seat at the back is in the middle.
Mia.
So should I book them?
Fine. Book them before they disappear too.
Done.
Finally. Our Goa trip is happening.
Yes. Goa, here we come.